It often depends on what type of show you're doing or what character you're representing as to what you're going to do with your hair. Currently, I have a side part. When we do that, I use a comb that has a pointed side. We comb it straight back, and where the placement goes will vary. You can either go split center over the eye, so you cut that straight back from there, and separate it, and that should be a clean line. You can also go further out, so you have a really big throw over and go to the outside of the eye, which gives you much more hair going this direction. I've previously demonstrated how to pull your hair straight back, so we're not dealing with that today. Another option is to do a center part, where you split center of your nose right between the eyes, straight on up. Again, your hair should be nice and evenly split. You don't want funny curvatures happening in there. Another option is a zigzag. I've actually often used zigzags for some more of our like scary hairstyles, like doing the back comb, as a way to pull the hair back so we have a bit more of a messy appearance from the audience perspective. You can either create really deep zigzags so it looks like a hot mess, or you can create more shallow zigzags. You can increase or decrease the amount of zigzags. There are options. Another common way to part the hair is to do the front portion and then pull the back. You'll pull it back, split center over that eye, again make sure that's nice and straight, and then from there you can grab and pull down towards your ear. Again, a straight line. And then same thing on the other side. With this one then, you're able to comb this down, tuck it behind the ear, and pin it back. Same thing on the other side. So that way you have a division of the front of your head versus the back. It just gives, again, a different dynamic to the hairstyle that you're able to do. Parts can go either on the right side or the left. More often than not, if you're dancing in a group or you're doing this for a show, you're going to want to make sure whatever your director or instructor or choreographer, whoever is telling you what is happening to your head, you want to make sure that you are doing whatever they are telling you. So if they say split over the right, you do it over your right. If they say split over the left, you do it over your left. You don't want to be the one that looks backwards from everybody. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about buttons again. I will see you then.